The live price of Terra Classic is $0.00000576 per LUNC/USD today with a current market cap of $377.13 million US. 24-hour trading volume is $78.76 million US. LUNC to USD price is updated in real time. Terra Classic is minus 3.97% in the last 24 hours. It has a circulating supply of 6,551.23 billion US dollars. Lunaclassic price prediction. The Lunaclassic price has continued to struggle a month after the crypto was completely wiped out and resulted in billions of dollars in losses. Today, Lunaclassic is down by 6%, wiping out gains made in the last 2 trading sessions. 7 weeks ago, just before the big crash happened and resulted in Terra Luna prices getting wiped out, the Lunaclassic was the 4th largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization. The problem was that the crypto was algorithmically linked with UST. When $2 billion worth of UST was unstaked, the depegging caused a cascading effect that resulted in the entire Terra ecosystem going down. The prices of what was previously known as just Terra Luna dropped by 99.99%, wiping out over $60 billion of its market capitalization. The impact of the Terra Luna resulted in the company creating another coin and naming it the Terra Luna. The original Terra Luna was then renamed Lunaclassic. Today, the Lunaclassic price is trading at $0.00005684. In addition, there are over 6.5 trillion Lunaclassic coins in circulation. This has made it harder for Lunaclassic to recover due to the huge supply in the market. Getting value for your Lunaclassic coins. However, despite the recent collapse and over 6.5 trillion Lunaclassic coins being minted, there are reports of the platform reducing the enormous token supply. The impact of such an action will see the crypto start to go up. However, investors putting their money into the Luna project will also need caution. Since the Luna has been decoupled from the UST stablecoin, it means the crypto no longer serves its purpose. Therefore, there is likely no future for the once popular Lunaclassic. Lunaclassic price prediction. Much of what happens with Luna mostly depends on how the platform will address the over 6 trillion Luna coins in circulation. However, traders can still find tradable opportunities using intraday charts. In the 4-hour chart below, the prices have traded sideways for days. However, today's trading session has shown increased volatility to the downside. Therefore, my short-term price prediction expects the prices of Terra Luna to continue dropping. There is a high likelihood we will see prices trading below the $0.000051 support level.